Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see what shape we drew last in our pattern? That will tell us what yesterday was, and that knowing what yesterday was will help us figure out what today is. What do you see? Did you guess a yellow circle? That's right. Yesterday was a yellow circle, and it was Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. So if this was yesterday, we're going to move one square over to find out what today is. We always go left to right, so we're going to go move over to the next square, and this will be today. And there is some words in today already. So we are going to figure out what our date is, and then we're going to come back and read what these words are. Okay? So we're going to start by putting in our shape for today so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar. What shape do you think is next in our pattern? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock. Did you guess green shamrock? Wonderful. Let's put our green shamrock on our calendar. You can practice on your calendar, on a piece of paper, or you can just draw it with us in the air. Are you ready? So we'll start by putting a line, and that'll be the stem of the shamrock. Then we're going to go around to the right. We're going to start by making a heart shape. Boop, boop. And then we're going to go up towards the top in a heart shape. Boop, boop. And then out to the left in a heart shape. Boop, boop. And then just color that in. And it's okay if your bumps aren't the same height or shape. You can have a unique looking shamrock. Excellent, thank you for doing that with me. Next, let's figure out what the name of the day is. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them and say their names together. Are you ready? Let's see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you for saying that with me. I love it when we do it together. It's much more fun. So we're back to our square for today, and we're going to go up to the top to see what the day is. And the name of the day is Wednesday. And Wednesday begins with a W, and W sounds like W. Can you say W? Go W. Good job. Words that start with W are wonderful, woman, water. So Wednesday starts with a capital W because it's the name of the day. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. And Wednesday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Wednesday. One more time. Wednesday. Good job. Let's put the name of the day into our agenda. Did you bring your agenda with you today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice by making the letters in the air with your finger, or you can just say the letters with me as we go along. All of those ways are great ways to practice. Are you ready? So our sentence begins with today is. And today has a capital T on it because it is the first word in our sentence, and we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is spelled T-O-D-A-Y. The next word is, and it's spelled I-S. And next we're going to put in Wednesday. So it's a capital W because it's the name of our day. E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. And then a comma. I'm going to squeeze a comma in there. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word. And the next word is the month. And do you remember how many months of the year there are? Let's count them up and say their names together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's say the names together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month we are in right now? It's the third one from the top, the third month of the year. We start at the top and count down 3. 1, 2, 3. It says March. And we have printed March at the top of our calendar because we always want to know what the month is. So we put it at the top of the calendar so we can just look at the calendar and know right away what it is. And March begins with a capital M. And M sounds like mmm. Can you do that? Say mmm. Good job. So some words that begin with the letter M are munchies, marvelous, milk. So capital M because it's the name of our month, M-A-R-C-H, March. And March has one syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Good job. Let's put the month into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Wednesday, March. So put a capital M because it's the name of our month, A-R-C-H. And next we're going to put in the number. And what do you think the number is going to be today? What was yesterday? A 9. So when we count, we say 9, and we put it in the calendar, we say 9th. Can you do that? Say 9th. Good job. So if yesterday was 9, what do you think today will be? What comes after 9 when we're counting? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning of our days and count them up together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you guess 10? Good guessing. Let's put 10 in our calendar. If you want, you can practice on your calendar or on a piece of paper, or you can just practice making a 10 in the air with your finger. Are you ready? We'll start by making a 1 because it has 2 digits, a 1 and a 0 put together. So start up at the top and strike it down. There's our 1. Next, we're going to make a 0. We start up at the top and we go all the way around, back up to the top again. A 1 and a 0 make 10. Good job. Thank you for practicing that with me. Are you ready to count backwards? It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Thank you for counting backwards with me. Let's put the number into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Wednesday, March 10th. So when we count, we say 10, but when we put it into our calendar, we say 10th. Can you try that with me? Say 10th. Good job. So we'll put a 1 and a 0 for 10, and then a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And do you remember what the year is? Look way up at the top, right underneath the month. Are you ready? 2021, or you can say 2021. Let's put the year into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. So 2, 0, 2, 1. And then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say anything else. So will you say the whole sentence with me? Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. Next, I'm going to practice printing my numbers all the way up to the number 10. I want to practice printing my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice with me on your paper, or you can practice making them in the air with your finger, or you can just say them with me as we go along. All those ways are great ways to practice. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Thank you for doing this sentence and all of the numbers with me. And now we can talk about what the words in our square for today are. So today is somebody's birthday, and this person's name is spelled Kalliope apostrophe S. And that apostrophe S says that this birthday belongs to that person. So Kalliope's birthday. And Calliope is turning 3 today. We're so excited for her and we wish her a very happy birthday. Her favorite color is also blue. Are you ready? One more? Maybe one more? How big do you think we can get it? That big? Do you like balloons? I love balloons on my birthday. And Calliope's favorite color is blue. So we flew up a blue balloon for her birthday. Everybody say, happy birthday, Calliope. We hope you have a wonderful day. Now that we've wished our friend a very special birthday, did you peek outside to see what the weather is today? Because we need to put it in our weather chart. What is the weather like for you today? We're having some crazy weather today. Is it sunny for you? It's not sunny for me, although we've had some really good sunny days the last little bit. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? There's no sun where I am, so that one doesn't fit at all. What about cloudy? It is cloudy here, but the clouds are doing something. What about rainy? Is it raining for you? Not here, but it's snowing. So let's put snow on our weather chart. And will you help me put it into our weather chart? So the first one on our chart is raining, but it's not raining. Next one is snowing. That's what we need for today. So let's put a tally mark beside snowing. We haven't had any snowy days yet at all. You can practice by putting a tally mark on your paper, or you can make it in the air just by putting your finger at the top and striking down. Are you ready? We had none, and now we're going to add 1. Good job. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put the weather into our agenda. So today I'm having a snowy day, so I'm going to draw a cloud, and then I'm just going to put some snowflakes below it. Do you like it when it snows? We got lots and lots and lots of fluffy snow today. So that means I'm going to have to shovel the driveway and the sidewalk, but that's okay. I also need to bake a cake because it's Calliope's birthday. So I'm going to bake her a cake for later on. What color do you think I should make it? I hear some wonderful options. Her favorite color is blue, so I wonder if we can make a blue cake. Let's make a blue cake. A light blue, and maybe we can put some white icing there. And we'll color it in blue. What color would the cake be for you on your birthday? What color would you like? Oh, I hear some wonderful colors. We have a whole rainbow going on. Blue is a great color, and I'm going to put 3 candles on here for Miss Kalliope for her birthday. And we need some flames so she can blow out her candles. Good job, thank you. Next, I'm going to put my name at the bottom because I want to practice printing my name every day. And while I'm printing my name, I would love it if you printed your name as well, because we want to practice every day to get really good at printing our names. Don't forget to put a capital letter at the beginning of your name. Are you ready? So capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to spell all these words or make all of these letters yet, that's okay, because you can practice just one letter every day until you get really good at all of your letters, and then you can make any words you like. So today we're practicing the letter R, and you can practice with me on your paper or in the air with your finger. Okay, so we're going to start up at the top and we're going to strike it down. Then we're going to go back up to the top and go all the way around and then come down to the line. Let's do that one more time. Strike it down, go all the way around, and then come back down to the line. And that's an uppercase R. Next, we're going to do a lowercase r. You just make one line down and then come almost all the way up to the top and arch it out. Let's do that one more time. One line down and then arch it out. Good job. So yesterday I was pretty nervous because I had lots to do. I needed to go buy a present and I needed to make a card, and I did get all of that stuff done. And today I'm going to make a cake and I need to shovel the sidewalk. Do you think I might be nervous again today? Maybe a little bit overwhelmed with all of the things that I need to do? Let's see. Are you overwhelmed or nervous today? Maybe confused? Let's see. What about happy? Are you happy? Did some nice things happen today? Do you feel kind of cozy, relaxed, special? It's nice to feel special. What about angry? Are you angry today? Are you miserable, grouchy, disgruntled? Those are all okay emotions to have. You can talk about them with your adult or a friend. What about excited? Are you excited today? I think I might be excited because we have a birthday and we can have some cake. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe kind of mopey or tired even? Those are okay emotions to have too. I think I'm excited, so I'm going to put excited on my board today. My kind thing is that I'm going to bake a cake for Kalliope for her birthday today, and we will have some of that later. And I hope that you can find something kind to do today. Can you think of something kind to do? Maybe you can give somebody a hug. Everybody likes to receive hugs every once in a while. Sometimes they're feeling lonely. So you can give somebody a hug or a handshake or a wave. Even a smile is good. And I hope you find something fun and wonderful to do today. And I hope that we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Don't forget to send us your name, birth date, and favorite color to todayforkids@gmail.com so we can celebrate with you.